Hey, welcome to Extreme RC Off-Roading. Today I'm going to be showing you this Traxxas TRX-4M custom retro build. I'll mostly be going over the body, modifications I made to give it this retro look, and how you can make your own retro Bronco build. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing as it really helps the channel out. I got the inspiration online from a real Bronco that had the white rooftop. So I decided to do the same with mine, and the rest slowly fell into place. To paint the rooftop, I didn't use anything fancy. I used a satin white spray paint from Home Depot. To get access to the rooftop, you first have to remove the windows, but everything simply comes off by removing 5 screws inside the body. And once you have removed everything, I recommend spray painting the rooftop in a box outdoors. To achieve the best look, I recommend spraying the rooftop in layers. Spray it once, then, once it's dry, spray it again, and repeat the same steps until the rooftop is no longer black and is white, or the color of your liking. Then let it dry a couple of hours and then install it the same way you removed it. Remember, windows first, then rooftop, then roof rack. And that's how to paint your TRX-4M rooftop. If you have any suggestions or if you did anything else differently, please comment down below. As for the decals on the body, I used some stickers I found online. They really make it look 10 times better. The kit comes with 4x4 decals, the stripes, and the hood stamp with the horse logo. It wouldn't look the same without these decals, for sure. Now for the wheels, I just ordered some Enduro deep dish beadlocks that already came white, so I didn't have to paint them. I chose these wheels because they add a little bit of extra width, and with these mini crawlers, anything helps. Well, that's pretty much everything I did to achieve this awesome retro look. I'm really proud of how this came out. Unfortunately, in this video, I won't be able to do a test run because my servo burned, and I'm currently without a servo. Oh, I also got these new tires. I haven't tested yet, unfortunately, because the servo burned. But I'll be uploading a video about them soon, I hope. Well, thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing as it really helps the channel out. Until next time.